gated community venture, Usman Nagar, total 30 acres venture, total villas 272 villas, ready to occupy. Project is 80% work completed. That is 30,000 aseptic clubhouse. We are entering 300 square yards west facing house model villa, 300 square yards west facing, 4,157 aseptic. This is car parking area. Total 2 car parks. Plantation. We are entering west facing. Total 4,157 aseptic. Here sitting area. This is view of the ground floor. This is open kitchen. Open kitchen. Platform, granite platform. Back and wash area. Very ventilated. Gap is roughly 10 feet gap. From house to house 15 feet gap. This is kitchen, open kitchen. And here it is sitting area, sofa set, and here it is TV unit. This is TV unit, very ventilated window. Here this side window, north side, and we are entering ground floor bedroom, guest bedroom. There is common toilet, guest bedroom here. Inside attached western toilet, inside. Guest bedroom, attached toilet. 2 windows. Kitchen, open kitchen, here dining. Here this is dining area, open kitchen. This is dining area. And we are going first floor, staircase with the marble granite for this staircase. Here a window, very ventilated. In ground floor we see one kitchen, open kitchen, dining hall, one guest bedroom. And we are coming here first floor. In first floor 3 bedrooms. This is master bedroom. This is master bedroom. Wooden floor. Size is 14.5 into 17.4. Master bedroom, western toilet. This is dressing area. Master bedroom is wooden floor. Size is 14.5 into 17.5. Room size. Master bedroom, first floor. We are entering another children's bedroom, 12.10 into 13 size. This is children's bedroom. Attached western toilet with a dressing area here. Children's bedroom size is 12.10 into 13 size. That is master bedroom. And here balcony. And another bedroom, 4th bedroom. This is 4th bedroom. And attached toilet, western toilet. This is 4th bedroom. Ground floor, first bedroom. And first floor 3 bedrooms. It is balcony. First floor balcony. This is west facing. How the view of the house. This is a play area, children's play area. That is 30,000 aseptic clubhouse. 30,000 aseptic clubhouse. Inside all supermarket, banquet hall, play area, cafeteria, everything. Opposite villas view. This is windows for the master bedroom. We are going again. Second floor, staircase marble granite. Second floor, another bedroom is there. We can use it as home theater. Size is 20 into 18. Home theater. Second floor, one bedroom is there. You can use it as home theater. Size is 20 into 18 size. This is fifth bedroom. This is balcony for the fourth bedroom, second floor. This is attached toilet, western toilet, wash and dressing area. This is fifth bedroom in second floor. You can use it as home theater. Big one, 20 into 18 size. Here come here terrace. Very ventilated houses. At present 10 o'clock time. How the villas view. This is 30,000 aseptic clubhouse. G+4 floors, 30,000 aseptic clubhouse. Inside gym, cafeteria, supermarket, medical shops, ATMs, everything. We can't go outside for any purchasing the items. This is a play area. That is 100 feet road which goes to Ring Road. That is Tellapur. Ring Road it is 1 kilometer. Tellapur Techno City also very near. Total 30 acres venture, 272 villas, gated community, high-end villas, triplex villas, ready to occupy, bank loan available. Already these builders done apartments and villas projects near Tellapur, Gachibowli, Kollur, everything, every areas. Here financial district it is 12 kilometers. Again we are going down area. I will show the repeat the video. For the terrace, ladder is there for the to go upside. Water tank is there. We are entering again. This is storage purpose in second floor. Second floor home theater. You can use it as home theater or room. 20 into 18 size. That is balcony. And this is western toilet for the second floor bedroom. This is storeroom. Again we are going first floor. Very ventilated house. From house to house, roughly 10 feet gap. This is master bedroom. First floor master bedroom. Again I repeat the video. 14.6 into 17.4. Master bedroom. into 17.4 master bedroom. Again I repeat for the clarity of the house and video to the customers. And this is children's bedroom. 12.10 into 13 size. 12.10 into 13 size for the children's bedroom. Western toilet. Ready to occupy houses. And another bedroom. That is 10 into 13 for the guest purpose or even children, small children. 10 into 13 size. This is balcony. And again we are going ground floor. How the windows, western windows. Total 300 square yards, 4,157 SFT. West facing, ready to occupy. Again we are coming here ground floor. Here it is window for the north door. Here it is sitting area or TV unit. That is kitchen, open kitchen. And here dining area. And it is storage, western toilet for common toilet. And this is guest bedroom. Guest bedroom is 14 into 12 size. 14 into 12 size. That is back end wash area. That is wash area. North door. We are going down outside. It is guest sit room. Who are coming inside first time? They are sitting here. This is the play area, park zone, and that is 30,000 aseptic clubhouse G+4. This is the front end view. This is the front end view, 300 square yards, 4,157 aseptic, west facing, ready to occupy. This is the row houses view of the villas, and here you can see the play area. Inside the villas work is going on. Total 30 acres gated community, 272 villas, ready to occupy. Inside 100 feet road is going on. Work is going on rapidly. You can see the inside view. This is 100 feet road. This is 100 feet road within the project. 100 feet road, left and right side villas. Row houses. How the beauty of the venture. Here ring road is 1 kilometer. Financial district is 12 kilometers. And Birla Open Mind School is very adjacent to this venture. Gopanpalli it is 3 kilometers, Tellapur 1 kilometer, Kollur 1 kilometer, Ring Road 1 kilometer, ready to occupy villas. This villa cost is 3.5 crores, total 5 bedrooms, 3.5 per square feet is 7,000 rupees, plus amenities, clubhouse, everything it come, 3.5 cr. Per square feet is 7,000 aseptic. Plus clubhouse charges, carpus fund, everything, which comes 3.5 cr, 5 bedroom, 300 square yards, 4,157 SFT, 3.5 cr, ready to occupy. Bank loan available 80%. Those who are looking gated community villas near financial district Gachibowli area, plan per site visit. We will show the site and finalize the deal. How the row houses all are west facing, these are all east facing. For east and west facing is a very good plan and good quality. You can see. Total 272 villas, gated community. Near Tellapur, Gopanpalli, Kollur, Gachibowli area in Hyderabad. At present 10 o'clock time. Okay. If you like the video, please subscribe and comment your valuable feedback. We will update and we will renew our site and we will provide good quality services to the clients.